Hi, this is Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim. Just wanted to shoot a real quick video on a very popular stripe, and had a couple requests for an install video, so I wanted to go ahead and do that real quick while I was taking care of this 2017 Ford Mustang GT. And this particular side stripe is called the 15 Mustang Stallion Rocker 2. It fits the 15 through the 19, and it fits perfectly. And you can also get this with blank lettering or with the Mustang. As you can see, it's a very nice looking stripe kit on this very good looking GT Mustang. I wanted to show you a couple little tricks, and one reason for buying from us is our kits are easy to install. I haven't installed the other side yet, but I wanted to show you by looking at it here. If you'll notice, let me just get up here on the car. I'll just lay this stripe up here. As you can see, there's some notches here in the very front end. Now those notches, they will go right here. They'll line up. And then on the back, you got to make a little bit of allowance for this lower level than this. So I bring it down about 1/4 of an inch. Put those little notches where they're supposed to be. Run it back and forth, and it's usually right on it. And there's no cutting other than the doors. And then I just take the knife and just slice it. But it's a real easy install, and it's a really good looking stripe kit. It makes the Mustang look really nice. And just wanted to shoot this video after a couple of requests and show you how easy it is. And hopefully you'll be able to put this on with ease. Again, please subscribe, and thank you again for watching Fast Car Decals.